ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District UCB Chakrabarti Sadhu kumshibenta banwengi ki kam Sniew na ka jaka basyong bean ki petwir halum survey ulapinte bola dep Kren bar Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills. Kren bakla pathai kubor hadim balawai ke jingalang ka ba ulakhot ya ka containment board lamba ka municipal UDC ulayat ho bakatu ka jaka basyong bean ki petwir ka ha papo ka jingpet ka Defence Estate Officer Guwahati ba ka jaka ka nan hapeng ka mukot duma.
So in this issue of the illegal settlement in this Shillong Cantonment Board area, and in fact this area falls under Defence Estate Officer Guwahati. So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact we told them that we would write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they showed us that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office. That is very clear. After this, when they issued eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court, has given stay order that the eviction has to be followed as per the law, with due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries notice. So after this, we are expecting, based on the discussion that we have discussed, a favourable decision in favour of Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this law and order. So we'll come in day or two. In fact, they said that they will get it ready in one or 2 days. They will send the report. As of now, no, because as it is already in the court, so court has fixed 27th May as the date for the decision. So we are, as it in the sub judice, we are not going for any survey as of now. But as I said, they are sending the detailed report as per their survey, because they have already done the survey and they have demarcated the land also. And this title suit of the land is in favor of the Defence Estate Office of Guwahati. So they will share the details, and as soon as we get the report, and we will share it with you also. So for this, as I said in the beginning, so as this place, because allegations are there that this place is being used for drug peddling and drug smuggling. So we are seeking a report from police after due verification, particularly the activities that are being done in this particular place, so that we can take in so setting aside the court status quo, that is only for the eviction, but for the law and order, it will not stop us to taking corrective measures for maintenance of the law and order. So if it is found to be true, then we will take immediate action again. Particularly as the title suit has already been decided earlier, only in 2016, if I remember correctly. But this is, as we see the papers showed by the Defence Estate Office and their team, so it is about the due process for eviction of these people who are staying there. So that is where they have asked for the response from the Defence Estate Office. So they seek time. They sought time for their response, and they fixed it 27th May. And now their District State Affairs, they say that they are ready with their response. On 27th May, they are hopeful for lifting of the status quo for this place, where they have already issued eviction notice. If the status quo is no longer there, then we can immediately initiate for the eviction of this place.